Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy A14 heating while charging. So first, what you guys want to do is understand that it's normal if you charge your device using fast charging. And to check it, you go over into the settings, now scroll down into the battery, and here you need to scroll down to charging settings. Now I do use the fast charging, so when my phone heats up, I really just don't pay attention to it because I know I'm using fast charging method and I know my phone is getting charged faster. So if you're not using it and still heating up, what you guys can check is the background apps that can cause a lot of heat and high power consumption. So go to the battery settings now, go to battery usage and click view details. Here you'll be able to see which apps uses how much ratio of the battery, and here as you guys can see, let's choose the Google. Now make sure that you enable background usage limits here and put it in deep sleep. So deep sleeping apps will never run in the background, and if you put them to sleep, then they will run in the background occasionally. So not all the time, but occasionally. And it's very important that if you have some games on your device and you see them that they are working in the background, just click on them and use the deep sleep option. Next, what you guys want to do is use the original charger and a cable. It's very important if you're using a charger that was not meant for your phone, it's just a third-party one, then of course your battery can get worse and your phone can heat up. It's still normal. Not everyone uses the original charger, but if you do have it, then I recommend you using it. After that, make sure that you avoid using the phone while it's charging. So do not play games on it, do not watch TikTok, YouTube, or anything else. Just let it charge to, let's say, 80%. This is the sweet spot for battery, so you don't use your cycles, you don't wear your battery, and basically then use it. So make sure that it charges first. This is our priority. Then we want to unplug it from the charger and then we can keep on using it. Now what you guys can also do is remove the case if you have one like me to improve the heat dissipation. So you guys may know that these cases trap a lot of heat, and if you're charging your phone, I recommend you take it out of the case, then charge it normally, and make sure to charge it in a cool and ventilated area. Do not put it in the fridge, just charge it somewhere where the sun just doesn't reach, because if you charge your phone, let's say in the sun, then you know that it may get hot, and we don't want it because this will basically ruin our battery. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.